queen of the farm has mounted her steed. Her page is explaining the mechanisms. We should be riding out through the sunset momentarily. And she's off. Now we must make sure that no one ever pisses her off because she has all the power. Dun dun dun!
Three or four trails that kind of converge. You get strength because these boards are going up and down, so you got strength that way. You got the compression strength.
Yep.
Plus you can bolt them together, and two of them together still give you 80 some inches. It's still it's good for walking around the site.
Yep.
There's always a compromise.
Oh yeah.
It's not as strong as having a vertical, but we wanted to use at $10 a 2x4.
Yeah.
I wanted to use the least amount of 2x4s as I possibly could.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. How about going in towards the center? Where's the next place?
Here?
Yeah.
Between my fingers.
Okay.
Might go there. Okay.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get that one.
Alright, I don't know where you put that one.
Well, that's at the bottom.
Okay, now keep in mind that the pallets aren't completely aligned.
Yeah, I know. That's always the frustration with this. You know, I can see why people use.
Dimensional lumber.
Yeah. Why?
Because he collects pallets and he puts them together and resells this size pellet, this thickness, whatnot. And you keep an eye out for him as he goes through, because he goes through 2 truckloads of pallets every day.
Well, we could have did that. We collected like over 100 pallets. But our mistake was I never thought about them being all the same size. We could have collected, like we almost take it a whole year to collect these pallets. If I would have known the trouble I was going to have, I would have just took one pallet and only one pallet.
You're about a quarter way through. Keep going.
Almost through, like at the bottom half.
Yep.
Here.
What did you do?
Load you up.
Oh.
Usually you put J-molding on
I
it.
put a screw in it. I let it go for you. Tell me how to do it.
So we couldn't get any local.
You got your 2x4 all the way across the top.
Okay.
Okay, once we got the J talk over. All right, now we're going up the top.
There should be.
One here.
Yeah.
There you go, sweet.
All right. So now we gotta cut one.
If you want a corner piece on it.
Well, I'm gonna put a.
Corner?
Well, actually, I think what I'm gonna do, I might put corners on the back side.
Yeah.
But this side here, we're gonna have to put a corner on there. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here and here.
Yeah.
So it looks like 81. I'm better verify that.
Was it?
Yeah, I think it was 81.
Where'd you steal that shirt from?
Some handy down contractor.
no, you're not. You're actually terrible at it. It's not bad though.
You'll have ones for glasses, small, and ones for different other things, jars.
Hey Leslie, could you pass me 2 of those?
Thank you very much. Are they the same length? Pretty darn close. There you go.
He's putting stuff in place. Like a month later, you say, "Where is this?" And you run over to it, make a one rope or whatever. Okay, we're on the page. It's not this one. That is.
We can't use that until we cut it. You gotta see if I can remember. Did my best.
Hold on. You two stand. Oh, yeah, okay, you do that way. We'll do this way.
Then we need a picture.
Oh, just a minute.